Welcome back. I'm back at Jones Beach. Let's see how much construction got finished up here. Peek over the fence. That's a whole new addition there. You got beams going up. They restored, that was an original wall, but looks like they rebuilt the whole thing. New lintels, new roof. And everything else is open straight inside. Wow, there's no floor in there now. They chiseled all that out of there now too. Brand new walkway going in. They're doing cement work up on the tower. See a lot of supports chiseled out. A brand new wall in the front. The cat's hard at work flattening out the beach. New walkway here too. And a whole new roof going in up there. This side is still closed, but hey, let's sneak around here quick. I see sprinkler pipes in. Cat on the beach. The east side tunnel is the only one that's open right now. It's a Sunday, so there's no construction guys here. Let's peek through the fence. It looks like they were working on the pools, but you can't see anything from here. Let's try to get around to the front today. A little off-road over here. Let's see. I can't see what's going on, so you could tell me what I'm looking at. I got a step stool. That's remained unchanged. They're doing a lot of masonry work over here. The seahorse mosaic is ripped up. You could see the outline of them over there. See if the compass rose is still there. And the compass rose is ripped up. Peeking through a hole in the fence here, it looks like all of the ticket booths are gone. I was understanding that they were going to restore all of them, but it doesn't even look like they're in there right now. Okay, it's time for me to get back to my walk. If you like this, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.